Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to take down detailed notes with Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to take detailed notes using Notion. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Notion workspace via the web app. Then you need to click on this pencil icon in your workspace at the left corner to create a new page. Now, in this new page, you're going to have to name it something like meeting notes. Punch the enter button to start taking your note. Now, you can organize your note structure. Consider using a clear structure for your notes by starting with headings and subheadings. Click on the block, click on the backward slash and head over to heading 1. So this heading 1 could be minutes and go to enter. Now once you click on enter, you can now start off. Now this heading could either be heading 1 for main topics, or you can use H2, heading 2 for subtopics, or heading 3 for final details. Then you can also use bulleted list, that's bullet points and numbered list. Backward slash and head over to bulleted list. Click on bulleted list for you to add bullet list if you want to. Can go back on that and head over to the backward slash and numbered list to create a list with numbers. Then another thing to do is to use toggle list to hide or reveal information. Now this is useful for organizing details without cluttering your notes. And how do you do that? Backward slash and toggle list. So toggle list can hide or show content inside a page if you want to. The next thing to do is to embed links and resources if you want to. So backward slash links. So once you add link to page, you can click on that to embed relevant resources, articles, or documents to complement your note. This keeps your note rich with external references. Now the next thing to do is to add images and files. And how do you do that? Backward slash image for you to add image. Just click on that to upload or embed with a link, or backward slash file to upload or embed with a link. That's a file for that. Visual aids can help in understanding and retaining information. That's why images and files are pretty much useful for note organization. It's also optional if you utilize the database for structured notes. So for more complex note taking, consider using a database. And how do you do that? Click on backward slash and type database. And once you type in database inline or database full page, you can set your view to table or board to categorize and filter your notes based on topics, dates, or projects. Each entry can include a detailed description, tags, and other properties if you want. That's for using a database, which is pretty much optional. You can also use tags, that's the multi-select property, to organize your notes by subject or theme, making it easier to find related notes later. Then link related notes to each other by using @mentions to refer one Notion page to another. So you can use the @ and you can mention or reference another page inside your notes. You can also use callouts. Now, use callouts to emphasize key points. So type backward slash and call out, and once you do that, you'll be able to emphasize or highlight key points. Call out helps to create a highlighted block for important takeaways or action items, which we have here. Now at the end of your notes, go ahead and create a summary section to highlight key points or action items. This helps in quickly revising the most important information later. Set aside time to review and organize your notes periodically. This can help reinforce your understanding and keep your notes up to date. You can also use a search function to locate specific notes when needed. By following the steps, you can take detailed and organized notes using Notion, making it easier to study, reference, and collaborate. Go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.